Hi, I'm Namita. I'm working in Central Risk team, and it's been 9 months working here.
I'm Ishwar. I work here for the credit team. I'm working as AVP. I joined 9 years back. So, what motivated to you to join Kinara?
Um, I think when I just browsed the Google, it made me motivated that there are more of oriented management here, and I think that is the one which tried me to come over here. What made you continue your career with?
So, initially, when I joined, it was a very small office, and I could risk myself into this job where I had good experience with the small business loans. So, it was very exciting in the initial days. Later on, we grow like every year we grow on with new branches, new segments, new set of customers, and new challenges, which encouraged me to stay here. What you love in your job, present job? What you like most in your current job?
Okay. So thing is, I am a mother, and which made me happy is I can focus on personal life and I can even focus on my work life. So I'm able to collide both and get together. So that is interesting. What does Kinara mean to you?
So Kinara means a lot to me. Like, see, when I joined, it grown me personally, financially. Plus, I can say we are creating some value to the society, like helping people. I thought when I joined, I know everything, but when we met the customers, we saw their gap in the financial gaps. So, it means a lot because we see some out of 100 customers, we may say 95 customers will tell the success stories to us. So that feel proud, and that is the best thing.
So can you describe your first month at Kinara?
Yeah, it was way back to April 2013. So where we had very less employees in Kinara, like 5 to 6 of them. So for example, it was hectic in that period of time. We used to work around 12 to 13 hours in a day. But we were enjoying because we were learning new things, and it was in the beginning itself, Kinara, what we are trying to do is different from other NBFCs, where I have worked in many NBFCs and banks, where it was not the same thing what we are doing here. We are doing it in the different way. That's how that first month was very memorable. I learnt a lot, and I contributed too. So in the first month, so it remains a special month. So what is your biggest achievement in that last 9 months or so?
9 months, I think made myself to the team where I could take challenges. I was motivated for that, and they are very minor things which supported me. Maybe I mean, if it was not there, then I wouldn't have taken the risk or the challenges. So I'm now being very confident for it, and I think I'll take more of it. So can you share your fondest memory at Kinara?
I have many, like in last 9 years journey, but definitely one of them recent one I can tell you. So one of the customer we met in one hub who is making candle manufacturing into candle manufacturing. He started his business with the handmade candles maybe 4 years before. He was doing some 50,000 rupees in a month at that point of time, and we funded him in 2-3 years back, and he now is running with like 8 to 9 lakhs per month. So that big impact, it felt me very proud what we are doing here. So we may not be able to meet all the customers, but some customers when we meet, they will feel good about Kinara. That's a proud moment for us. So I feel that is the biggest achievement also.